Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. Today I got a new unboxing video on this MEW4 brushless 16 scale truck. Model number M161. So you got a brushless motor, you got 2S 1500 milliamp battery. This is what you get inside. Got a metal differential, digital servo, brushless motor, full metal, tires, bearing, adjustable rods, oil filled shocks. So let's get inside it. Check out this bad boy. Ooh. I like the colors. Let's see what we get inside. So nothing more inside the box. So we got the controller. Regular controller. Off and on switch. You got 75%. And also you got 100%. So comes with your charger, comes with springs, extra clips, servo arm, I think it is, that is inside there, screws. So let's see what's inside this truck. You got your LED lights in the front. You have a 2835 brushless motor with 3350 kV. Got a 35 amp ESC. Battery in here. Oil filled shocks. There's everything. Hopefully this is an extra battery. Extra battery. One more look on how it looks. Look at that. Not completely in, but there we go. All we need to do is test this out. So let's go outside.